spray your measuring cup first. Hopefully the peanut butter will come out easier. Don't judge me. I see you judging me. Okay. Okay, friends, I'm gonna make a peanut butter pie. I could not find an Oreo pie crust, so I'm going with this one. Chocolate nut pie crust. I guess it'll be okay. And we need a cup of peanut butter, a whole, what is this? Whole 8 ounce of cream cheese, thawed or softened, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and some whipped topping. And we're gonna use the hand mixer to make this happen. 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 block of cream cheese, that's gonna be good. Okay, put it in the fridge. Got to set up for a couple of hours. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. I also wanted to show you, you could drizzle some chocolate syrup over top of this. It was delicious.